Hello everyone, I am Fahim Kamal and welcome to another video of mine. Sometimes we face some problems with our PC and we had to reinstall our Windows to solve it, and we do that by using Windows installation disk, but we can do it way faster if we use a flash drive or USB drive to install. But that drive has to be bootable to do that. You can do it in many ways. You can even use third-party software to do that too. But now I will show you a way where you can do it all by yourself without using any other softwares by following these very easy simple steps. But first let's connect our USB drive with our computer. So this is the USB drive that we are going to make bootable. But before we continue, let me tell you that you must back up your drive. If there is any files in it, you should move it in someplace else, because after making it bootable, this drive will lose all its data inside it. So before that, you must make sure that there is nothing important in the drive. Now I have already backed up my USB drive. As you can see, this folder is empty, so I have no problem in formatting it, and to do that I'll be using the command prompt. So let's turn it on. This is the command prompt, and in here type the command diskpart and press enter. It will ask for your confirmation, so click yes and a new window will appear. In here type the command list disk. This command will show you all the available disks currently connected with your computer. As you can see, I have two hard disk drive, disk 0 and disk 1, and the disk 2, which is my pen drive, which is 30 GB. So now let's type the command. I am typing this command select disk 2 because this is my pen drive. So in your case, you must select the right disk for you. Otherwise, if you select wrong disk, you will be end up formatting your hard disk drive, which will be very much painful. So please be a little more careful about this. So press enter. Disk 2 is now selected. Now type the command clean. And by doing that, everything in the pen drive will be lost, including the partition in it. So now we have to create a partition in the drive. To do that, type the command create part PRI, which is primary. As you can see, it is successfully created. Now select that part. Select part 1, which is the primary partition we have created a little while ago. Press enter. Partition was now selected. Now type the command format FS, which means file system, and we are going to name it as FAT32. Well, you can even format your drive as ntfs if you want. That is totally your choice, no problem in there. And type the command quick. Otherwise it takes a little bit of time to finish the formatting, so type the quick is important. And about the file system, it is depending on you that what kind of file system you want to create. You can use FAT32 or ntfs. That's totally up to you. You can select any of them. I am selecting ntfs, and now press enter. It will take a little time to complete. And there you go, diskpart successfully formatted the volume. Now type the command assign. And there you go, formatting your disk drive and making it bootable is now completed. As you can see, you can use your USB drive now. All you have to do is just copy the operating system, Windows 10. I downloaded it. This is the ISO file. So select everything from here and send it to your drive. When the copying is completed, you can use this drive just like your Windows installation disk to install Windows in any PC you like. I hope this was helpful. If it was, then please like it and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get all the notification of upcoming videos just like this one. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.